Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your primary device with Interactive Brokers. First, you need to log into your Interactive Brokers account using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section of your account. You can usually find this by clicking on your account name or profile icon at the top of the page. In the Settings menu, look for the option related to Device Management or Security Settings. Here, you will see a list of the devices currently linked to your account. Select the device you want to set as your primary device. Make sure you review any additional options or prompts that may appear to confirm your selection. After selecting your new primary device, you might be required to verify the change. This could involve receiving a code via email or text message, so have access to your secondary contact method. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Once the verification process is finished, your new primary device will be set. You should receive a notification confirming the change. Always make sure to log out from any devices you no longer use to maintain the security of your account. That concludes our tutorial on how to change your primary device in Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching.